Hello guys and welcome back. This is Neil Gonzalez. Now as you can see it's getting really windy and Bowie, shut up before I kill you now! Now my brother's making beatbox. Bowie, stop making beatbox, can you see? Oh wait, besides. Oh my god, Bowie, look! Yo, it's getting like so windy. Well, wait, I'm gonna kill you for the last. But oh my god, look at all these winds. They're like pushing real hard. It's very late, everyone. It's super late. Okay, don't be like Luigi. Luigi sucks. He's useless. My brother likes Luigi. My cousin, like Neil Gonzalez. Oh. And talking about my friends, what the heck? Alright, let me comment this guy, oh my god, like, you see all that wind, like, you won't be able to hear in my camera because it just sucks. It sucks. I'm just making funny shows because... Whoa! I'm not, whoa! Like, oh my god, like, no, shut up! But, oh my god, though, holy shoot! Yo! What the hell? Yo, I swear to god that, whoa, like, yo, I've gotta comment this guy. Well, he just commented me that I just heard a big huge wind and I had a big nightmare about my mother. What the? About your mother? What about the nightmare? Alright. Dang, that comment just went right away. I had a nightmare. Oh, he said I had a nightmare that my mom was getting mad over. Wait, hold on, like, you gotta be kidding me, like, the winds are just going wild. Let me just put, forget about the bad dream that you have. Crap, I spelled have wrong, I put half. Alright, okay, alright. Oh my god, he just said the winds are just going so crazy that it's going like Sandy, but it's going like Hurricane Sandy, but then it's being like Hurricane Irene. What the heck? Oh my god, he's like commenting me like something funny. It is true though. It's like becoming Hurricane Sandy, like I'm in West Virginia. Freaking West Virginia. But oh my god, everyone, you just saw that, like the winds were just going like hell. Oh my god, and I don't know why I swear to god, but I'm telling you the truth to her, but that was, oh, I can't much more call it. Alright. What are you doing? Post 141. Alright. Post. I've been wide open awake and I've been watching the weather all the time. There were so many warnings and I couldn't upload my videos in HD. They were kind of failing. Whoa! Oh my god, like, oh my god, like, you gotta be kidding me, like, all the winds, I had to delete 2 of my videos, like, seriously, I'm uploading, like, 2 videos at the same time, and it's taking so long for the stupid crap. Publicist 141, are you okay about this weather, or you are scared? Alright, put that. I have a Skype. This is Skype Hangouts. Just comments below. Okay, but oh my god, look at the winds. They're just going wild. It's just still snowing. Like, what the? Oh my god, like, yo, Booby, you better see this. Like, it's bum ass. I'm scared. Oh, this is what this guy said. He said I'm scared. I'm gonna put scared of what? I mean, it's not a big deal. Crap! I spelled big wrong. I put bill, like bills. And then he commented me that this weather is freaking me out. I think it will be thunderstorming. Or maybe I think that a hurricane is going to be coming. Like, it's not a hurricane. I mean, it's a wild blizzard. I mean, this cold front typhoon is just so strong. Let me know in the comments below, you everyone. Do you think that was very crazy? Because you better let me know. Because, oh my god, like, it was blowing way hard. And I heard it in front of the stupid AC. It was so late, and the winds were just wild. Like, it's like I'm living in, like, West Virginia's worst tonight's weather. I should have stayed awake, and I am awake. Are you going to sleep? Alright, I'm coming into someone else. This guy, science subject, science my rule subject, science my rule subject. Alright, how do you? Alright, submit. I'm just putting the comments in below from Skype. And it's a private one, so don't look at Skype. Alright, he just commented me that that he's already chasing the story right now. He's right now in Long Island, and he's saying that he's in Long Island? Wait. How is it in Long Island? He told me he was going Long Island. The winds are just going so crazy. Right now it's pushing my back over header, and oh my god, like, oh my god. You better like this video, everyone. This is war. Oh my god. My god. I'm a mom. Oh my god, but this is crazy. Ow, I hurt my elbow. Alright, he just alright, published for one comment me that I couldn't upload my videos, sadly, but I uploaded videos for you. Of course, you always upload Sonic videos, so stop recording Sonic. Oh, it's with his cousin. His other cousin, Delia. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna stop commenting and just keep recording this video. Dang, I have 3 more. Whoa! You got. Whoa. Oh my god, like, I got this on film, Booby. I got this on film. Like, it started to get windy. Oh my god, people are commenting me so much, and I'm done. I'm done. I mean, it's going 50. Wow, that's high. 109 millibars of high cold pressure. Oh my god. Who's that, Booby? Alright, I hope you guys like this video. It's already a little long. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. And please let me know in the comments below you how strong this cold front is. How strong it is. How strong it is in Long Island. Please, everyone, comment. And please, I'm begging you, comment to me about how it is in Long Island. I want to see how many inches what it is. Tell me about how your house looks in the snow. You should please take a picture in Google Plus. Let me know what's your account in Google Plus. Whoever doesn't have Google Plus, it's okay, but just please let me know in the comments below you. So I hope you guys like this video, and peace. And I never always say these words like before. Yeah, but it's still windy, so that's why I'm still recording. Because it's still windy. Mariah. That's my sister. She's pissing me off. So I hope you guys like this video, and bye.